Yes, breaking tonight, more presumptive cases of the coronavirus showing up in Pennsylvania. Good evening, I'm David Johnson.
And I'm Lisa Sylvester. That brings the total number in the state now to 10. We put this map together to show you exactly where these cases are. 7 of them are in Montgomery County, that's near Philadelphia. The rest are in Delaware, Monroe, and Wayne counties, all in the eastern part of the state at this point. 3 of the patients, though, are hospitalized. And fears over the virus caused the Dow to drop 7.8% today. That is the largest single-day drop since the recession of 2008. Channel 11's Jillian Hartman is live for us at 6.
And Jillian, some people are more susceptible to the virus than others, especially the elderly. They're at risk.
David, that's right. According to recent data in China, more doctors say that there are more severe cases of the coronavirus in older adults. So if you plan to visit someone in a senior care facility, listen to this urgent warning from UPMC doctors.
I'd like to ask the public not to visit their loved ones in person at a long-term care facility or a skilled nursing facility if they are ill or they have cold symptoms.
As coronavirus concerns continue, new information shows the virus is impacting more older people because they tend to have other underlying health conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and lung disease. UPMC now has protocols and plans in place at their senior facilities. Officials also say signs for visitors are posted at all UPMC hospitals and facilities saying that if you are sick, do not enter the building.
This will help us avoid accidentally spreading not only COVID-19, but many of the common respiratory viruses that are circulating in our communities.
However, there is no all-out ban for UPMC visitors. To keep kids and families safe, doctors are also asking parents to practice good hand hygiene and teach their kids those same practices.
Children are very good at spreading disease, even when they may not feel very sick, because they can be running around playing and yet be infected.
UPMC officials confirmed there are no coronavirus cases at any UPMC hospitals or facilities. But since last week, they have sent out testing samples to the state. Doctors say they are mainly testing those who have traveled where there are confirmed cases or have come in contact with someone who has the coronavirus. Now, at this time, officials will not identify the patients who are being tested. Now, UPMC doctors say if any provider is concerned their patient may have the coronavirus, to contact the infection prevention team right away. Reporting live tonight, I'm Jillian Hartman, Channel 11 News.